share with us, like, how did you get started on this video journey and, what led you to write the book?
Oh, thank you so much. That's a great question. So I actually start the book kind of getting into this story, and it all started about 10 years ago. I was a recently licensed attorney. I was one of those crazy people who decided to open up her firm fairly quickly after getting licensed. And nobody told me that you had to like get clients,
Funny thing.
once you had a business. Somebody forgot to, let me in on that secret. But you find out very quickly. And I was in that position where I'd found out very quickly that I needed to figure out a way to connect with people in a unique way. And I am in the Houston area. There's a lot of bigger, law firms out there that have these significant legal budgets when it comes to marketing. And I knew that I couldn't compete in that regard. I was also really connected to a lot of entrepreneurial people who were leveraging video in a way that I had not seen lawyers do. And so reluctantly at first, I wasn't really trying to be on camera. Many of us just want to be heads down into our work. And I was kind of that way. But I started to ask, okay, how badly do I want it? Do I want to connect with people? Do I want to help people? And as I, toyed with that and really battled with that tension, I realized I did want to help people. I did want to connect. And so I remember the day after my birthday, about 7 or 8 years ago, I did my first official live as an attorney. And you could still find it on social media because I leave it up there as a reminder that we all have to start somewhere. And I started, and I remember the reaction after that. It was a lot of people were excited to see something different. And I turned that into a weekly live show that I would do on Facebook that eventually evolved into YouTube lives and into YouTube videos. And now over 250,000 views later, we're here. And, I've been able to speak all over the place and really help attorneys kind of get over that initial fear because I've been there and really figure out how can we connect with people in a meaningful way using video. So that's a little bit about my journey into this. And I guess specifically with the book, I was asked to present at ABA Legal Tech Show couple of years ago. And after our presentation, where I was approached and I had presented with somebody else with the opportunity to write this book based off of what we had shared. And I said yes.
Nice.